I have always wanted to make a wall photo gallery, but for most of the time, the frames or the pictures that I wanted were just way out of my league. They were expensive, and yeah, I wanted to save up so that I can have these very expensive pieces on my wall until I came across there's a shop in town called Danko Frames where they sell frames at really affordable prices, and you can choose from both locally made frames and those ones that are imported. So the ones that you're seeing in these pictures are locally made. So you can choose to have your frames completely built for you at the shop, or you can have them and build them yourself. So for me, at first, my idea was different. So I had them built. I had to come and build them myself. So the larger frames, that is A3, is 550, and the smaller frames are, I think those are the ones we call A5, are 100 bob. So with the picture becomes 600, with the picture becomes 150. So I spray painted the frames to black because that is the theme of my photo gallery, or I don't know what to call it, but I think it's called a photo gallery. And so that's what I was doing. And these pictures, I also had them printed at Danko Frames, and they were costing 50 bob per piece. Yeah, so every printing here was costing me 50 shillings and this is what we have now. So I'm just cutting them, resizing them, and then we're gonna build them in the frame, and that will be it for this video. So guys, if you want something unique on your walls, then you can consider going to this shop, or not necessarily this one. You can also just check out any other affordable shop if you know of any. And be careful, because I pricked my finger while I was removing the glass to prep it. So these frames actually can also come in black. They come in black, they come in wood, and they come in white. So at first I wanted them in white because of what I was building, which I didn't like so much. So now I am redoing it, and I wanted black. And guys, I think that they look elegant. So guys, stick around as we build this together. If you are a new person to my channel, please consider to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you so much, and I hope that you will enjoy the rest of the video.